Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add text box background color in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to change the background color of text box or add, go to the insert menu. Select the text box option and create a text box. Select the box, go to the shape format menu, select the shape fill. You can add any color. Now I am select the green color. You can write anything. Click inside the text box and write any text. Select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go back the home menu. You can increase the font size. Now we can see we add text box background color in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.